Welcome to Approveit. You can ask for approvals right in Slack. To create a new approval request, you go to Approveit app right in your Slack workspace. You press New Approval Request. You select the needed workflow. For example, let's imagine that I will select Project Spend Approval. You press Next. You have to fill the simple form right in your Slack. Okay, I have filled the form. I press Submit. And I got the message that I have submitted the approval request. If I press View Approval Details, I can see all the information that I have submitted, and I can also see who should be approving my request. If I forgot to add the information initially, I can just press Add Comment and add the information right here. But please be aware that for some workflows, for example, if you go to, let it be purchase approval, you're asked to go to the web app. So you just press proceed, then you log in with your Slack to the Approveit web app, and then you fill your request there. You're asked to go to the web app because for this workflow, you need to attach files, and you can only attach files in the Approveit web app. This is the limitation of your Slack. Thank you.